guys, welcome back to another vlog. Me and Dad are in the car today.
Hello everybody.
And we're on our way to, see someone. So we decided to just take you guys along with us a little bit. I'm just gonna, show you the area. We're in Greater Portmore. So we're just showing you along. And also anything else that we do during the day, we'll carry you along with us. So we're gonna show you the community and the area where we're driving through at this moment and stuff to go where we're going. And then after that, you guys will see what else we do during the day. Greater Portmore, all of the close houses are together.
Yeah, I see them. Yeah, man. Okay. All them places I come to work. Work.
Oh, there's a scheme over there.
Yeah.
Is a new scheme or?
No, man, long time.
The older scheme.
Yeah. It is great up Portmore.
Is this the plaza you're talking about?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's supposed to get credit for it. You coming back, you can get it. Which side, Sean? This side or the other side?
This side.
Oh, that side over there, so go around. Yeah. Or you can put on the 16.5 DCT yourself.
Suppose me no know how to calculate 16.5% of whatever.
You can't help you that one.
Huh?
I can't help you with that one, sadly.
Okay.
You're going
So we
here?
are going in also. Can we go down this aisle?
You
too?
can go down the aisle, yeah.
No, I don't have
Over
to
there
be
says
able to kiss
no. If you want to go down, you can just go down and take back.
you. Okay. Well, why are we starting at randomly in the middle? Eh? Because this is the one in the house.
Oh, antibacterial wipes.
How much of them antibacterial?
Alright, here, so wipes are, but it's quicker just baby wipes alone. No, sit here, antibacterial. Sit here. Antibacterial, antifungal, wet wipes.
Who knows about this brand?
I do. It's not bad.
Take one. This good?
Yeah. Lemon scented.
Oh, I think so.
Tissue is, as I said, that's why I take the other side. You can get it.
Which one? Here? And I need butter.
Right here, so which is why exactly you want to go straight.
To me eat one first of it drier than one. I can't believe it's not butter.
So it's
Is
not
it
like for that?
1,300 and something plus? Not
Yeah.
bad.
For that?
That bad?
For that small little tub, 1,300?
It's for this one.
Oh, so what's the price for this one?
So the price for this one would be. Hold on there. Okay, no man. Oh, so what happened to. What the regular butter them will buy? Like.
Which one?
And see. They don't stock them?
Oh, I think they do, but maybe them not have none now. Because when they come in here, it was here.
Oh.
Maybe they don't have any here today.
Let's go look. So, but they will have.
And if they put it somewhere. Because there's more than one dairy section. This here.
I will wait till Monday.
You guys need eggs.
The eggs right there.
1,172.
So pick it up.
Tissue, right?
4-pack. This is which one?
This is Scott.
So what? So look at
Do
this
you
one.
want the scarf?
I don't mind. Look at this one. What the No. The one down the bottom.
This? This is hand towel.
That's Antoine?
Yeah.
So them up this is
It's just Scott. No, it's just Scott right here so alone. The tissue and hand towel section is at one place.
These people are very country. It says cornmeal.
That's white cornmeal.
pre-cooked white cornmeal. Okay, you know, so I have some. I don't know where apart. You pick up sugar. I don't want to get. Oh yeah. Come, you never know something. Never know something. Never know so them have it in this. Let's get one.
Yeah, they have it in that size.
You knew that? But that's counter.
That's counter.
I don't want counter flour. So where's the
So you can't use counter flour to fry the chicken?
Yeah, but I want other flour for myself.
But other flour up there for
So
yourself?
when you do it so much counter flour to
Oh,
fry
that's true.
corn.
That's actually true.
Yeah, but after they sitting there done. But
After
here,
there's something they done, yeah,
yeah.
that's true.
baking flour. Our,
This is the flour I buy for you.
I thought they had. So why they couldn't have this in the all-purpose flour? That could be good.
That's the thing. I don't know. Maybe they do have it, but maybe they don't have it here.
So we had with so much counter flour.
Some people use it.
And you know, say something, yeah, counter flour, the original flour we used to use from back then in
Yeah.
Bob's Red Mill. Pardon me.
So you want an all-purpose flour? You want an all-purpose flour?
No, I don't think so. I would love to get
Because you
one
have
of
two more. You have two
Should we
more over
take one
there.
of these? No, those are my personal flour. We'll fry chicken again sometime down the line.
Mm-hmm.
So why not take one of these? Don't take up one of them for you. I'm going to take away for lick two dumpling, no child.
And they can use it for make dumpling, yeah.
I don't know the nature of this brand of counter flour. Take one from the back.
How much is it? 700?
7.6.
Yeah.
No, it's the flour not has no tax. Take that. You got on the top side down. Never see this.
Can put that in the freezer. Chicken we need to fry again another time.
No, sorry, we'll put chicken. Let's have a whole video.
Alright, the oil is down.
This is
Oh,
whole wheat.
no, we're gonna buy the oil another day.
Whole wheat flour.
That's the PGJ.
You know it's not bad.
The whole wheat flour? Yeah, you did tell me
them
that.
whole wheat flour not bad at all. I'm gonna get
Okay.
not at all.
Vinegar. But no, that's not for today. That's not for today.
No one, no vinegar, man.
No, for the cooking, but I know it's not for today.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but as I said, it's
How
not.
about that along so one trolley? Could they?
I see in price everywhere. So I see
Can't
it.
afford it, darling.
You need regular oil? One of regular Uncle Sunday?
Huh?
You need one of the regular Uncle Sunday? No? No, that you're not getting it.
So why am I here then?
Or maybe you can, I don't know. This is canola and vegetable, you know. This is a corn oil. But $3,000
How did that
for
look
that is
like?
expensive.
What's up?
These brands are expensive. It's Western, you know.
So that's what I'm saying. They don't
Have to-
They don't have other brand.
I'm sure they have other brands. We just walk faster, I love it.
You know, some I feel like I should have just stopped at my family. One if you so.
Vegetable. These are all vegetable. I see them Western on something they have in here. Price
Got
one
that.
time.
Okay, it's okay.
Yeah, this make more sense.
As right make more sense to appear head in a there.
Well, no. When I as in, I mean the
This
pieces
have head
them
this?
inside there. No,
It's
this
not
is all
bad, huh?
tail.
So,
Never
but you
get them mixed.
no, yeah, but you have
Mixed,
head and
yeah.
tail. But what's this?
I
For-
can do what you want. I
Probably.
get them two there.
Me I look good enough. They may look like
There's look like them just put them out them fresh so.
I like the color of them.
Hmm?
I'm not sure. You know this. Them smell nice. Smell like where they're in though. Why were they in that have water running there?
Let them just put them out.
but this is not bone. Then this, I must say the boneless
No,
one.
that's
But it
fillet,
still have
fillet.
in bone. Oh. But fillet not supposed to have in a bone, darling. Why so much head? God, this when you get the head part them so, you have to throw away most of it, not much not in there, you know. Okay,
one's
let's
not
work with this.
Big up yourself every time. Why you teach for deal with the baked chicken, you see me? Big up yourself, auntie.
Family, we are in
Top chef.
progressive. And she said, me know you know. You're popular man. Hear me? Yeah. And you teach me to cook the baked chicken sauce, man. You lot
Baddest
people
cook,
them.
baddest cook, baddest cook. Big up on yourself, man.
No flow.
No flow.
Take it up top up there. Yeah.
We shot, you know.
Oh, yes, I forgot you can. Yes, you can.
Yeah, so this is the light. Is this the light?
Yeah.
It's, yeah, so we use this one. And if we did take this, we'd get this too.
You don't get two of them, but you just take the lights.
I get something there right now.
Okay.
Alright, so. And even this too. I used to buy this, but it gets so expensive. Yeah, so when me be it now, when me go use.
Do you realize that this is cheaper than that?
I don't really like this sea bread, you know.
Oh.
What is cheaper? Because this is bigger.
Not really.
So why you say
It's more
this is
economically friendly. No, this is cheaper than the. I can't believe it's not butter. But I'm guessing
But
it's
me
just
not
because of the
use that
brand.
for bake. I want it to bake something.
Oh, okay. Alright.
So I think I should take one of these. These are really light to me.
Go ahead with it. Go ahead with the country crack lights. It's alright. You're just
That's
using
something
it. You're
that
just
I
using
want
it
to
for
be.
butter. So to butter bread and stuff like that.
Yeah, but I think I want to bake something the week that me I try tell you. But I'll make my mind up and bake salted butter. What is this? I don't even know.
Just salted butter.
I'm not really get involved in that. Is that getting?
Really? There's a discount on cream cheese.
It's sweet.
There's a discount
That's
on
a
cream
small
cheese.
one.
The 6-pack. Oh, not that one. That one.
So the 3 pound. This is the one we normally buy.
That's a £3 that you normally buy. No, see it up here, so sorry. 2,400 and something. This one have the 6-pack. The 6 packs inside there. That one is that.
This is for what? For the 4,500.
This is for the big hunk or something them down here. So
Oh, okay.
it's cream cheese, but it's the big it's the big bulky version. This one is just the
Okay.
regular one.
Well,
The
this is
£3.
for the 4. Oh, this is for the
Yes,
2.
yeah, that's for
okay.
2 for okay.
Alright. Another panda. Okay. What I feel like? Why this raise?
No, actually, it's the same.
Can't afford it too.
It's a very big something a bacon, you know. So you have to that's just
Oh, when we
a,
bought it, remember
that's
we
just
bought
a-
it over by the old place and we had it for long.
yeah. That's what I was saying. It's a big something a bacon. When you bite,
Okay.
yeah, man.
Want anything here?
Not to
Louis?
my knowledge. I think right here is what
Shrimp and all.
not to my knowledge, you know. Unless you do.
I don't want any shrimp.
Okay.
Another one right now. Babe, you don't want cookie?
Right here is what? Right here is oats and raisins, nuts, mixed up, cornflakes. I don't necessarily think you guys need anything here. Unless you want raisins.
Organic raisins.
Mm-hmm.
For 1.7. How much this way?
7
907
grams. The pounds on it.
Let's do that.
It's £2.
Like almost 800 or something.
Probably, yeah. Carrot is what, 1,109?
I don't know if I like this. No,
Okay,
I don't like this.
another one.
Let's choose it for it.
That bag isn't bad.
Alright, go on, go.
The trippy question. That bag right there isn't bad.
This one?
Was it that? I think this is.
No, them joke out, so they're not easy. It's not easy, you know. Them mix them, you know, so
Yeah, they mix them, so you have to just find one which
it's hard.
will work with you.
How much is this bag? This bag not
All of them is the same price. All of them are the
How
same
much is
price.
this?
1,199. They're all the same price. You just have to find one that works for you.
1,199. Parents, what about this piece of pumpkin? This pumpkin look good too, and I just buy this piece alone.
It's big, but the inside it look black. 1,500. Want to use that one instead?
No, me just go with them.
Just go with those two. Basically, they're the same 1.5 it comes up to anyways. Alright, you put back that one. As I'm saying, the inside, the belly of it looks a little bit dark.
I'm not big belly, man.